Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to make another everything beauty, skincare and lifestyle, and today's video is a bit different because I'm going to be doing a try on haul with Zeelool. Now Zeelool is a glass company and they ship overseas. You can celebrate with Zeelool by ordering your first pair of glasses for free. Yes, I said that. You can also use my code Purity10, which is on the screen, and you will get 10% off your orders. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I'm just going to unbox all of these with you guys. Each pair of my glasses came with a glass cloth. This would help clean my lens for when it's dirty. I also have a measuring rule. This would help measure for my glasses, especially when I'm going to a physical store to pick glasses. So with no other, I'm just going to dip my hand into the box and I'm going to pick a pair of glasses and let's see what we have. So each glass also came with a bag, and this will help protect your glasses. And do not be scared if you're doing an overseas shipping and thinking maybe your glass is going to get spoiled. No, it came in a well protected box and all the glass came intact. So this is my first pick. So let me just remove the plastic. See that this is a square crystal eyeglass, and I think this screams everything luxury. The color is just beautiful. I think it has like a silver and a transparent kind of design. I think this is more masculine kind of glasses, but even a female can do with this and it will work just perfect for her. Oh my, no, tell me I am not screaming luxury. This complements my face. It also complements my makeup, and I was thinking this was more masculine. No, the silver and crystal thingy that is going on is just perfect. The blend is perfect, and the fact that the lens is so clear, like it feels that I'm using my actual God-given eyes to see, but I'm not. So this is given I have a presentation in my office kind of vibe. Is given I'm the manager of the company kind of vibes. Just tell me you don't love these glasses. I will say no more. But let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. But this is what it's looking like up close. I also really love the silver thingy that is going on and the handle, but this is super beautiful. So we have the second pair of glasses right here. I actually picked this one by myself because I think I wanted a round kind of frame, and this beats my expectation, guys. I love the fact that it is not so big and it's not totally covering my eyes. Like you can see the space from my brows to my eyes. I just really love how well this is, and then the blend of blue and the crystal thing going on is just beautiful. I think this is giving the I'm a very pretty nerd kind of vibe. And this is versatile. It's something you can use anywhere and everywhere, and it is super comfortable. It also has this really lightweight feel. It's not heavy on the face at all. I just love how casual and simple it is. This is so beautiful, guys. And I also love how slim the handle is. The glass material, you can already tell that it is premium. I really love this one. Hey, is it all of them I'm going to love like this? Because I'm blown away already. This is so beautiful. Let me just try it on one more time. Okay, all right, so let's see what we have. Okay, I think this is a bit different. This is so beautiful. The color blend, this is like a yellow, pink, and a bit of purple kind of blend, right? I am so impressed. I am super impressed. I've never been a kind of person that would say give me glasses that have bright colors or just blend different colors on my glasses, but do you see how well these colors blended to each other? From purple, and then it came to a kind of pink, and then yellow. Do you see how beautiful this is? And then it has the handle with just purple. You see how, oh my, I'm short of words. This just makes you feel or make you look like a good person. It gives this sweet personality to your personality without even saying a word. Because if you are a girly's girl, you should definitely get this, because this is perfect. perfect. And the fact that it just goes well with my black top and my black hair, this does beautifully well. I'm short of words. To be very honest, when I brought this out first, I wasn't sure if this was going to be my thing. I wasn't sure I liked the color blend. I wasn't sure, but seeing this now from the mirror, this is beautiful. This is just beautiful. This makes me really want to be a girl. See the blend of color right here. For the handle, it has this purple and pink blend. This is just beautiful. It also have this silver thing going on here. And guys, I love these glasses so much. From my heart, guys. I love all the glasses. I felt I was more of the round glasses girl, but I don't know, the square glasses are just looking really good on me. The fact that these glasses are this good for this price, I am wowed. This is way beyond what I thought I was going to get. And do you also know that if you get a glass from Zeelool and you want to return, they have a 30 days return guarantee policy. So in 30 days you can return your purchase and probably get another one if you want to, because you cannot just return and go back like that, because these glasses are too good to just let go. They are just so good. And they also have a 1 year repair guarantee. So let's say your glass get faulty in like your 1 year of purchase, you can always give them back the glasses and they'll repair and return it back to you. This should be the first cat eye glasses that I've unboxed. Let's try this on. I'm so sorry guys, but when all the glasses I'm using comes out this beautiful, why wouldn't ice cream? I have to look at, oh my, I'm using this pretty thing going on here, the silver stone on the handle of the glass. Now this is just so beautiful. And then this full rim butterfly feature that is going on here. Now these glasses are perfect for my women. This would do so well for the church vibes. I'm going to go see some serious men and women up there. What do you think? But I love the blend of colors. I think it's also going to be perfect for my ladies without age range, because if you're a very young girl or you are a mature lady, this will still do perfectly for you. All right, this is just beautiful guys. I love everything that is going on here. I really love the handle. I love how well this sits at the back of my ear and just how very comfortable it is on my face, and it is super lightweight. Do you know that you can also have your prescription glasses sent directly from Zeelool? So before you place your order, you just send them your prescription and they send you your glasses with your prescription on the lens. So they have prescription, non-prescription. They even have sunglasses on their page. Nothing because I'm just bringing the clear glasses. It's just clear glasses Zeelool sells. Nope. They have sunglasses on their page. They have tinted lenses. They have blue lighting lenses. They have transition lenses. Name them, Zeelool got them. Okay, this is the next glass that I have on here. Guys, you can see how much I'm smiling already because the handle of these glasses is just absolutely beautiful. I love how slim and flexible this is. I also love the hinge of catty eye that is going on here. Let's try this. You can already tell that this was made with a high quality material. I love how comfortable this feels on my face. It is super comfortable, more like there is nothing I'm wearing on my face, and the nose pad just feels really comfortable. You just give an extra comfort to the glass. I think you would experience this better when you place your order, because this is just beautiful even to explain. Like guys, what? I mean, what? The comfortability, I cannot even explain. The lightweightness. No, this is given. I'm having a meeting in another country and I'm going to the airport already dressed, so when I just get to that country, I'm going straight to the office. Because what? This is the next glass that I have on here. Tell me that square glasses are my glasses now, because why are these glasses looking so good? And it sits perfectly on the face. Guys, I feel these glasses would do so well with a red lipstick. Yeah, it should, because the color, it has like a gold plinting and then the black and brown thing going on. It would do so well with a red lipstick, and it balances so well on my face. This will give a deep impression on your first meeting, because what is this? This is so beautiful, guys. Look at the handle of these glasses. Can you see how chic and luxurious this looks and feels? More like a tortoise shell glass. And you can see what is going on the handle. Okay, so the gold plate, it's not on the part that is going to be rested on your ear, so it won't give you any form of irritation whatsoever, because this is going to protect your ear and it's going to feel a lot more comfortable when it's rested on your face. This is beautiful, guys. I'm in love. And you can see how well the handle of the glasses is adjustable. Okay, so even though you have a wider face, this can still sit properly on your face without having to break the handle. Zeelool glasses ships really fast. I mean, this did not even take up to a week to get to me, and I'm in Nigeria. So this is you getting everything relating to glasses in just one stop. You can have your prescription glasses, you can have your sunglasses, you can have your blue tinted glasses, you can have your clear glasses. Name them, Zeelool got them. Okay, and I love how comfortable it is on the nose area. The adjustable nose knot that is here makes the glass super comfortable on the face. This is the last glasses we have on here, and you can already see the luxury look that this glasses has. You see the silver glittery thinning. This has like a glossy black finish. This makes me look younger. Is it just me? I think it brings this youth kind of look to my face, right? It just makes me look like 10 times younger than my age. What do you guys think? This is so lightweight. I mean, guys, for a glass like this, even though you wear it for hours, you will not feel tired, because it is not heavy. It has like this smooth feeling on the face, and it is super lightweight. So you cannot get tired from wearing glasses like this. I mean, I love how slim the handle is. No, Zeelool, you are doing so well with your glasses, because aside the fact that these glasses were sent to me, all of the glasses, I love them. From my heart, I am not... You guys know I won't come to this page and tell you something that I do not like. From my heart, I love all the glasses. How well the glasses are made, the materials that are used for these glasses, how the lenses of the glasses is, how clear it is. No, all of these are just beautiful. And to be honest, I cannot even pick. I was asked to just pick 2 of these glasses, but everything is just beautiful. The glasses sent to me, the ones I picked, are just super beautiful, guys. From my heart, I love all of these glasses. And remember that I told you guys that you can get your fair pair of glasses for free because of the Zeelool 7th anniversary. So follow them on Instagram and also check through their website so you won't miss this opportunity. I also love how well the customer service is. They are easily accessible and you get response to any of your question almost immediately. Let me know what you think about these glasses in the comment section down below, and if you are to rate, what would you rate them? Let me know how you're going to rate this in the comment section down below. Let me know your first, your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and your 7th choice in the comment section. Don't forget to follow Zeelool on Instagram and also check their website to get really cute glasses and even more on their page. Do not forget to use Purity 10 to get 10% off your purchase. I really enjoyed making this video, guys, because it is coming from my heart. My expectation was overly met and I am super excited. I did this with Zeelool. Don't forget to hit the subscription button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. The link to all the classes I used here is going to be in the description box down below, and do not forget, use Purity 10 for 10% off. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye, guys. Mwah.